Hello. Hello. Do you want a head rub? Oh, good boy. Come on then, come closer. Good boy. As you can see here, he's been saying hello, so I've come over and he wants his head rubbed again. Hello. Good boy. Come on then, down here. Down here. Oh, you want your head. Good boy. Been a bit cautious though, because he's quite quick. I noticed yesterday when he sort of lunged at us a couple of times when I had my hand near the cage. So, are you going to say hello? Kenneth? Hello? You dancing? Come on then. Come on then. Head rub. Oh. Do you need a head rub? I'm not putting my finger in. I'm not. You can put your head up against the bars. Good boy. Oh, is that nice? Look at him, how beautiful. Good boy, aren't you? Oh. It's me being all jumpy. Good boy. Hello. He says hello in a really, really sweet voice. Don't you? Bob your head. You can dance? Do you want a head rub? Oh, good boy. You like that, don't you? Oh. Good boy. You sound like a little monkey. You sound like a little monkey. Kenneth, say hello. Hello, do a head rub. Head rub. Head rub. Come on then. You're regurgitating. What, darling? He's regurgitating. What he's doing? Kenneth. Jack's nan's got a Senegal, but I didn't realise how pretty they are because I did post photos of Jack's nan's Senegal, but it's got like all plucking down the front there, so you can't see any of his colourings, just his grey head. But they're absolutely gorgeous. Look at that colouring. Good boy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Hello. Did a head rub? Eddie, head rub. There's the next instalment of Kenneth. Say hello. Hello, Kenneth. Hello. Oh, I will catch him saying it.